Information tonight involving a popular pistol that can fire without anyone pulling the trigger. Contact 13 Chief Investigator Darcy Spears uncovers results from military testing.
The U.S. military is expected to buy nearly 500,000 Sig Sauer handguns, the military version of Sauer's P320, which was the subject of a Contact 13 investigation. Our report revealed a serious safety issue where the gun sometimes fires when dropped. Now military testing shows other problems. The Army recently selected Sig Sauer XM17s and XM18s as the new standard issue sidearm for soldiers. According to a Defense Department report, the military knew about drop test failures and directed Sig Sauer to fix the problem, but additional testing after the fix showed additional problems. The Defense Department report says the fix may have caused two triggers to splinter. Testing also showed problems with the gun ejecting live ammo and malfunctions where the gun would stop firing. The Defense Department report shows the Army intends to buy 238,000 of these pistols, while the other branches, including the Air Force, may get another 224,000 Sig Sauer handguns. Officials at Nellis told us they would not be able to comment because the Army is in charge of the contract. We reached out to both the Army and Sig Sauer, and we're still waiting to see if they'll send us a statement. Darcy Spears, 13 Action News.